As just we discussed the topic of primary market, let us understand the instruments of primary market. The topic for today is the instruments of primary market. So the instruments of primary market are promissory note, certificate of deposit, bond, common shares, preferred stock. So the first and foremost instrument of primary market is a promissory note. A promissory noting, it is a contract where one party, the issuer, makes an unconditional promise in writing to pay a sum of money to other party either at a fixed or determined future time or on the demand. So here the word itself tells a promissory note. Promissory note refers to a person or an organization is promising the person to pay the certain amount that is in the future course of time. So he is taking money today and making a promise that he will be paying that amount in future with a certain amount extra or interest or bonus or commission added to that particular amount. So that is what the promissory note. The next point is a certificate of deposit. A certificate of deposit is similar to a promissory note. A certificate deposit is a time deposit offered to customers by a bank. They are offered for a fixed term such as 3 months, 6 months or 1 year to 5 years. The interest is given on the certificate holder. Certificate of deposit is an instrument given by the bank. So here a consumer, what he does is he purchases a certificate of deposit which might be for 3 months, 6 months, 1 year or 5 years. So here when he deposits certain amount, when he takes back the amount, when the consumer takes back the amount after 3 months or 6 months or 1 year or 5 years, he will be given with the added interest for the money given by the consumer. That is what the certificate of deposit is. Coming to the next point here, bond. It is an issued security establishing its holder a right to receive from the issuer of the bond within the time specified. Its nominal value and the fixed interest rate on the bond certificate is issued to the holder. A bond is also a certificate issued by a company or by a financial institution where there is a fixed rate of interest on the nominal value, on the certain value for which he has been purchasing. Just take an example. A bond is being given for the rupees 1 lakh rupees, and there is a 10% of interest getting added. So in future course of time, whenever the bond gets matured, at that particular time the receiver who has paid 1 lakh rupees, he will be getting plus 10% as an interest. 1 lakh 10,000 rupees will be given to the holder of the bond. That is what the bond is. It is also an instrument which is being sold in the primary market. Next is common shares. You all know common shares. Shares represent ownership in the company and claim dividend on the portion of profits. Investors get one vote per share to elect the board members. Shares refers to share is a share in the share capital of the company. Here the investors get an opportunity to invest in the share capital of the company. So as he invests in the share capital of the company, he also has the right of ownership in the company where he enjoys the voting right as well. And for the shareholder, the dividend is paid on the profit made by the company. That is what common shares or shares are. Coming to the next point, preferred stock. It represents some degree of ownership in the company, but usually does not come with the same voting rights. Investors are usually granted with fixed dividend. Here, when you talk about preferred stocks or preference shares, so here the company, what it does is it prefers or it gives importance to certain of its shareholders. Like there are majorly three classes of shareholders. The top shareholders are A class, the medium shareholders are B class, and the last the small investors are called as C class shareholders. So here the company can prefer anybody. So usually company prefers class A shareholders because they are the huge investors of the company. So what do they give? What do they give importance is they give importance to the class A shareholders that considered to be a preferred stock or preference given to a particular shareholder. It's a topic which is been usually been asked for 5 marks. Fine then. Thanks a lot.